let's look at how we can create pave setting on a curve. So on selection of pave setting, the first thing is to select the input curve. Next, you choose which viewport you are working in and the gem size and shape. So let's say I make this 1.3, ask for gem shaped round, and we get pave created as required. These values can be played with using the distance from the wall option, the angle distance option, the wall height option, and the metal below the girdle option. You can also play with the grain settings. For example, this is currently simple rounds with a 0.05 overlap, tapered pave, squarish pave. I can play with the overlap. Cutters are available just like any other setting. So if I were to choose square at the bottom, let's make this at 1, and I intend to reduce the taper, so let's say 0.2. Our pave setting is ready. For the same thing, let me group and hide this. For absolutely the same thing, I may want individual pave. So in these cases, I go into the pave setting, ask for individual prong. I can play with the placement of, how about 0.45 here, and I play with the prong angle. And that's how you can create different kinds of pave depending on your design requirements. Let's do the same thing even on a surface. This curve on a surface. So again, going into plate prong, select the curve. Let's take 1.2 size for the stone. I do not want individual pave here, so I'm just going to go and deselect individual pave. I haven't selected my surface, so let's go and select the surface input as well. And we are ready to go, and we are ready to bake our pave setting on this surface in no time. Let's hide this. There you go.